guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a fun stamping design. To get started, I laid down my base, which is, whenever I use this color, I think of macaroni and cheese, but it is OPI's No Tan Lines. This came out last spring as part of their spring collection, and so it was limited edition, so if you don't have it, just find a close orangey macaroni and cheese color that you have. And then we're going to be doing some stamping. Tonight I'm going to be stamping this design right here, as well as this bottom design right here. And I will be stamping with Twinkle Tea's blue stamping polish and their white stamping polish. I'm super excited to use these. I've never used their stamping polish before. So what you're gonna wanna do first, and excuse my dry cuticles, I just took off my old polish and I didn't oil them beforehand, so ignore those. Anyways, what you're gonna wanna do is lay down your base. This is 2 coats of that OPI's No Tan Lines. So you're going to want this to completely dry, and then we are gonna go over this with KB Shimmer's Prism Break, and this is just a hollow top coat. I'm going over the design first because I don't want the stamping on top to be hollow. I just want the base to be a hollow. So you are going to let this completely dry, and then we'll move into our stamping. First, for stamping tonight, we are going to be using this design down here, and it's going to go on our ring finger and our thumb. And we're going to start with the white. And we are just going to put this and I forgot to put liquid latex on my nails, so we are going to take a break and do that really quickly. So now that we have liquid latex on our nails, now you want to continue your stamping. So I did the white over this and I really like how that turned out. Let's see if the blue will be pretty on top, and if not, we will just re-stamp the white back on top. I still do want the design to have a 2-dimensional look. So then you just very carefully line it up the best that you can. All right, so there is your accent finger, and then we are going to move on to the other fingers. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to these flowers right here. Again, we're gonna be starting with the white stamping polish. Okay, and now we are going to move on to the blue, and we're just gonna layer this on top of the white. Okay, once you have completed your stamping, what you need to do is take a cleanup brush dipped in some acetone, and I've said this a lot, but my cleanup brush is just a e.l.f. concealer brush that I got at Walmart for $1. And all you're gonna wanna do is just break apart the design from your cuticle. By doing this, it just makes it so when you peel up your latex, you don't peel up the design that is stuck to your nail. Once that is complete, you can take a pair of tweezers and peel up your latex. Once your cleanup is complete, all you're going to have to do next is put on a top coat. I'm using Finger Paints, the matte topper, for this design today. And here is your finished design. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my other social media sites. I have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as well as Be Polished, Wear Polished, and A Little Superstition Never Hurt. We'll catch you guys later. Bye!